Delivering high-quality EV charging plugs. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow rapidly, automakers are scaling up production of EV charging infrastructures to keep pace with consumer demand. Unfortunately, some manufacturers are cutting corners on material quality, even though advanced polymers are needed to meet requirements for charging stations. Many manufacturers use flame retardant additives to improve electrical and fire safety performance in charging plug materials. But these additives weaken the mechanical properties, integrity, and performance of final parts. This makes final parts vulnerable to common wear and tear, including being dropped or run over, and may increase risks of fire and electrical safety issues. Materials containing flame retardant additives also tend to become discolored after continuous sunlight exposure. And since charging stations are often branded with OEM or Tier 1 logos, plugs that appear worn out reflect poorly on the brand. DSM's Aculon PA6 and PA66 are industry-leading flame retardant additive-free material solutions that deliver the optimal balance of safety, aesthetics, and value for charging plug manufacturers. With its unmatched impact and drive-over testing performance, Aculon offers superior wear resistance that ensures plugs remain in excellent condition throughout their lifetimes. The material's high tracking and flame resistance make it ideal for fast charging applications. And as the only charging plug solution offering grades fully compliant with the industry's highest safety standards, it helps you approve and bring final parts to market faster. Aculon also achieves superior weathering resistance to prevent plugs from prematurely discoloring or wearing out. DSM offers the material in a broad range of colors, enabling manufacturers to improve the surface appearance of plugs and reflect the branding of OEMs without expensive coatings. With our proven expertise in the automotive, electrical, and electronics industries, DSM is prepared to help you to deliver best-in-class charging plugs and capitalize on future opportunities within the EV market. Contact us today to learn more.